Hello again, fellow virtual consultants. Thank you for watching our video on how to automatically tweet Google Calendar event start reminders with IFTTT, if this then that. In this video, we will show you how to create an IFTTT applet, and if this then that applet to automatically tweet a start reminder before a Google Calendar event, where you can specify the time before the occurrence of before the start of the event that you want to send out that tweet to remind people to come and attend your event, watch your YouTube video, join your online meeting, etc. So again, we'll walk you through step by step how to create a custom if this then that applet to automatically tweet your Google Calendar event start reminders, and then we'll actually verify the results of an example of such a start reminder being sent out prior to the start of a Google Calendar event. So another way, another opportunity for you to automate your virtual consulting business, as well as an opportunity to add another service to your offerings to your virtual consulting clients to increase your revenue. Again, another service offering. You can help your virtual consulting clients automate their business, save them time, effort, and money, as well as automating your virtual consulting business and save you time, effort, and money by not having to remember when to send out these reminders on Twitter and other social media profiles prior to the start of a Google Calendar event. So again, we'll get started. Again, we'll show you in detail, step by step, how to create this, if this then that applet, and then verify the results, etc. So if you have not already seen our first episode in our IFTTT if this then that tutorial titled How to Get Started with IFTTT if this then that, and we would highly recommend that you view that video as that explains what IFTTT is, how IFTTT works, how IFTTT may be used to automate your business, how to set up your IFTTT account, and then how you may offer and sell your automated services using if this then that as additional value and benefits to your virtual consulting clients. So again, if you have not already viewed episode number 1 in our if this then that IFTTT tutorial, we would highly recommend that you also view that video, as that again shows you how to get started, how to get set up with IFTTT. You should be able to find the link to episode number 1 in our IFTTT tutorial in the description box below, and we hope that also helps. Okay, let's go ahead and create our IFTTT applet to send out a reminder on Twitter X minutes before a Google Calendar event is going to start. So I'm logged into my IFTTT if this then that account on a Chrome browser. I'm on my Applets page. I can hit the create button. You can see they added a delay feature recently. We'll check that out in a subsequent video. So I need to define my if this, my event trigger portion. I can easily just search for Google Calendar. Here's Google Calendar. We can see what options we have for triggering events for Google Calendar. When a new event is added, we can trigger. When a new event from a search is added, any event starts, so the trigger fires a set number of minutes before the starting time of any event on your Google Calendar. It's based on the time zone set, the Google Calendar. An event from search starts. Any event ends, so within 15 minutes of the ending of an event, you can do something. A new event from a search ends, or you respond to an event invite. So again, a variety of different triggering events we can use for a Google Calendar using if this then that. In this case, we want to fire a trigger a certain number of minutes before the event starts. So we're going to, so you can select any calendar, any Google Calendar that you have access to. In this case, we want to stick with the virtual consulting calendar. So I want my virtual consulting calendar. I'm going to set this to send out a reminder 15 minutes before the event starts. Create my trigger. So now I've got my trigger, my if this portion. I want to add my then that. I'm going to send out a Twitter tweet. So again, we can see our options in Twitter. We can post a tweet with image, update our profile picture, update our bio. In this case, I just want to post a tweet to the VCF account. And then again, we can see it's already composed a default tweet for us. We can see what additional ingredients we can include in that tweet. I have one already composed. And in this Google Sheets, I am able to test the length of that tweet. So I already have that composed. Just copy paste that into our text. So then you can see the tweet's going to have a bell, a reminder notify. Please join us to see the title, pound virtual consulting YouTube video, little video symbol starting at the starting time, Eastern time, which is the time zone set on our calendars, and then a pointer to the Google Calendar event URL. So again, since I'm using this calendar primarily for premieres and drops of YouTube videos for virtual consulting, this is the tweet I want to send out before those events start on that particular Google Calendar. So I go ahead and I'm create my event, hit continue. Yes, I want to receive notifications, finish. Now we see if any event starts on virtual consulting, then post a tweet to the VCF. I can do a check now, just verify everything's working. I can view the activity to see that the applet's been turned on. I can notify me when it runs. So now if I go back to my applets, we can see that that new applet is now ready to run in production. It's running. So if any event starts on virtual consulting, post a tweet to the VCF. We can see it's a calendar to Twitter applet. So you can see how quick and easy it was to create that new applet in IFTTT, if this then that. And now before any event starts on that virtual consulting Google Calendar, we should see the tweet that we configured posted to the VCF Twitter account. So now we just wait for the start of one of those events on that virtual consulting Google Calendar, and then we can verify that the appropriate tweet has been sent out. So we'll come back and we'll verify that when such an event is ready to start, and verify we get the appropriate tweet. But again, you can see how much time, effort, and money this saves you and your virtual consulting clients by not having to remember to send out reminders before these Google Calendar events are ready to start, to repost on Twitter, etc. And then by chaining these applets together, we can pick up the tweets and post them to other social media sites, Facebook, etc., Instagram, Discord, etc. So again, you can see how much time, effort, money this saves you and your virtual consulting clients by automating these types of tasks using IFTTT, if this then that. So we hope that all helps. Okay, now let's verify the results of our IFTTT applet, if this then that applet, to tweet a on Twitter before an event starts on a virtual consulting calendar. So we can see at noon on Sunday, November 13th, we had a premiere of a virtual consulting video titled Layoff, Start Your Virtual Consulting Business Now. So we can see again that was scheduled to premiere on November 13th at noon, so we expected a reminder to be tweeted out about 15 minutes before that based on our IFTTT Applet. So let's see what we got. So we'll click into there. We'll look at the activity. We can see this ran at November 13th at 11:53. So it found an event. It found that log off, start your virtual consulting business now. So it starts at November 13th at noon. So it got the right event. So we can see what the trigger looks like, got the event URL, etc. So we can see the tweet that it posted. So please join us to see and it got the title, Layoff, Start Your Virtual Consulting Business Now, with the hashtags we put in, starting at, got the time, November 13th, 12 p.m., and then the link to the Google Calendar event. So you can see that link to the Google Calendar event as well. So now if we jump over to the VCF Twitter account, we can see approximately 16 hours ago. Right now it's 4 a.m., so that's approximately a little before noon. It tweeted out that tweet in the VCF Virtual Consulting Firm's Twitter account. Say, please join us to see the layoff, start your virtual consulting business now. Hashtags look good, starting at November 13th at 12 p.m. And if we click on that link in that tweet, you can see it jumps us directly to that calendar event, and inside that calendar event, then we can put links to the actual video, the channel, etc. So again, we see it generated our tweet. It's linked properly to the event in the tweet is what we want. So again, our IFTTT, if this and that applet looks like it's running well. And you can see, how much time, effort that saves you and your virtual consulting clients by not having to remember to send out reminders based on your Google Calendar events. Your IFTTT applet can just be running and send out those reminders 15 minutes before. You could schedule it to be any amount of time before the event starts, so that people will then join your event, whatever that may be. It could be, again, a YouTube video premiere. It could be a scheduled online meeting, anything you want. You could have your If This Then That applet send out reminders on Twitter. So we can just leave that running in production, and anytime we have an event on our virtual consulting calendar, it will then send those appropriate reminders out, in our case right now 15 minutes before the event occurs. So again, you can see how quick and easy it was to create that, and how much time, effort, therefore money it saves you and your virtual consulting clients, and help you automate your virtual consulting business and the business of your virtual consulting clients. So again, another service you can offer to create these applets, IFTTT applets for your virtual consulting clients, and run them and monitor them in production if you so wish. So again, another opportunity to generate revenue, help automate the business of your virtual consulting clients, expand your offerings, your service offerings, etc. So we hope that all helps. Please let us know what you think. So we hope that you liked this video on how to automatically tweet Google Calendar event start reminders using a custom applet in IFTTT, If This Then That, to tweet out Google Calendar event start reminders. So in this video, we showed you how to step-by-step create an IFTTT and If This Then That applet to automatically tweet Google Calendar event start reminders at any time before the start of the event that you specify. And then we showed you how an actual example of how this worked in production, once we had it running in production, prior to an event starting on our Google Calendar, how it sent out the appropriate tweet. We showed you how you can format that tweet as you would like, and then to run it and monitor it in production. So again, hopefully this helps you see how you could use an IFTTT, if this then that applet like this, to save you time, effort, and money, to not have to remember to send out such reminders before the start of your Google Calendar events, and again help you automate your business. And also hopefully you can see how you could offer this as a service to your virtual consulting clients to create such IFTTT applets for them, and or run them in production, monitor them for them. And again, another service offering you can offer to your virtual consulting clients, help them automate their business, help them automate their social media marketing, their digital marketing, and therefore save them time, effort, and money for their business as well. So please let us know what you think of all of this. Are there other types of tweets, applets you would like to see, Google Calendar types of IFTTT applets you would like to see? Let us know in the comments below, in our free Discord, in our Facebook group, via any of our social media profiles, etc. Let us know what other types of IFTTT applets you would like to see, any questions you may have about if this then that, and or any other automation tools for which you would like to have us try to create additional videos. So let us know how we can help you succeed, grow, and succeed in your virtual consulting business. We hope this all helps. So hopefully this all helps you see how much time, effort, and therefore money that you can save by creating applets and running them in production using IFTTT, if this and that, and also how offering this as an additional service to your virtual consulting clients can also help them save time, effort, and therefore money, and be of benefit, further benefit to them as well. So again, another potential automation service that you can offer to your virtual consulting clients to create, run, monitor, etc., update, maintain IFTTT applets for them. And again, something that you can use for your own virtual consulting business to make you more productive, more efficient, and therefore hopefully more profitable and more successful in your virtual consulting business. So we hope this all helps. Let us know what you think, and any other applets that you would like to see in future videos. So again, we hope this all helps. If you have any questions regarding how to get started with IFTTT that were not already answered in our How to Get Started video, any comments, etc., any requests for additional applets that you would like to create, or if you would have any questions regarding how to create particular applets with IFTTT, please put them in the comments underneath the video below. You can also put your questions and comments and feedback, etc., in our virtual consulting community Discord, for which you will find an invite in the description box below. So again, if you have any questions, comments, etc., about any of the videos in our IFTTT, if this then that tutorial, please let us know in the comments below the video, in our Discord, in our Facebook group, etc., and we will try to respond and facilitate any of those requests as soon as we are able. So we look forward to hearing from you. Thank you for watching our videos. Please hit the notify bell icon and subscribe to our Virtual Consulting 101 YouTube channel so that you'll be notified as we release further video episodes in our IFTTT if this then that tutorial, and other videos that can help you grow and succeed in your virtual consulting business. So we hope this helps. This video and the Virtual Consulting YouTube channel is powered by the Virtual Consulting Firm. Please also visit and follow us on social media via the links that you may find on our About page. In the top right, you can link to our Virtual Consulting homepage. You can follow us on Twitter, LinkedIn, etc. You can also find our web hosting company. And if you scroll to the bottom, You'll find additional links to some of our other social media sites, our Facebook site, our Instagram site. Also, we hope you will join us in the Virtual Consulting Facebook group where we can discuss any topics and you can ask any questions related to virtual consulting, and we'd be happy to help you succeed in your virtual consulting business, get started, and succeed in your virtual consulting business. And also our Pinterest, and again the web hosting company that we use for our homepage. So again, we hope you will also choose to follow us on our social media sites, visit us, let us know what you think of all this, how can we help you. We hope this all helps, and have a great day. We would also like to cordially invite you to join us in the new Virtual Consulting Community Discord server. You should be able to find an invite in the description box below and or in the link section on our website on the Virtual Consulting Firm homepage, which you can also find a link to in the description box below at thevcf.com. And again, we'd like to invite you to join us and discuss any topics related to virtual consulting, etc., any help that you would need. In the Virtual Consulting Community Discord server, it is free to join. Again, any topics you want to discuss, any help you would like to have to succeed in your virtual consulting business, we can discuss those topics there, and hopefully our fellow virtual consultants will help each other out and mutually benefit from participating in the new Virtual Consulting Community Discord server. So we look forward to seeing you there. Again, you can find an invite in the description box below, in the About page of our YouTube channel, in the links section of our homepage, thevcf.com. And again, we look forward to joining you in the Virtual Consulting Community Discord server. Thank you. Please help us be able to continue to produce frequent quality content to help you learn how to get started and succeed in virtual consulting as a virtual consultant by supporting virtual consulting via our Patreon at patreon.com/virtualconsulting. Again, this is totally voluntary. If you would wish to provide us with your support, we would greatly appreciate it. You can see you can receive additional benefits, and we hope to be able to add additional benefits to each of these membership levels, any of which you may choose. And again, we'll be adding additional benefits to each membership level as we are able. So again, if you're able to help support us in being able to produce frequent quality content and additional benefits for our Patreons, we hope you will choose to select a membership in our Patreon at patreon.com/virtualconsulting. We thank you for your support. Good luck and have a great day. Thank you for watching our video to the end. We hope that you liked it. Please smash the like button to help the YouTube algorithm share our videos with more of your fellow virtual consultants around the world. Please share this on your social media and with your other virtual consultants around the world. If you're not already subscribed to our Virtual Consulting YouTube channel, we hope that you will choose to subscribe, and please hit the bell icon to be notified as we release new content. Please provide us with your feedback in the comments below. Let us know how we can help you be more successful as a virtual consultant, get started as a virtual consultant, and be successful in your virtual consulting business. Again, thank you for watching our video to the end. We hope this all helps, and have a great day. If you like this video, we hope you will choose to subscribe to our YouTube channel by clicking on the box in the upper left-hand corner. You can watch another video like this by clicking on the box in the lower right-hand corner. And we have a whole playlist of videos like this that you can access via the box in the upper right-hand corner. Our latest video is available in the box in the lower left-hand corner. We hope you like this and have a great day.